rector, vice rectors, administration of the VTEPS State Medical University, dear Sri Lankan students and students from other countries as well. So, on behalf of the Embassy of Sri Lanka in Moscow, I would like to congratulate you on this celebration of 77th anniversary of Independence Day of Sri Lanka at VTEPS State Medical University in Belarus. So, as a Sri Lankan mission abroad, we strongly believe that quality education is an integral part of our journey towards a thriving nation. So, Sri Lanka as a nation can be proud of its recent performance in the areas of education, health, and also development of our human capital as well. So that is why the youth who represent Sri Lanka in Belarus is of utter importance to our embassy. On this occasion, I am pleased to recall that the Republic of Belarus is becoming a very popular destination among Sri Lankans for its education. In this backdrop, your university, VTEP State Medical University, is very renowned for provision of quality education to the international students. So at the same time, I would like to emphasize that embassies working very hard to create education links between Belarus and Sri Lanka. Especially recently, we have initiated the cooperations between Sri Lankan and Belarusian universities in the areas of in multiple areas. So I can recall that we have facilitated signing of 7 MOUs between Sri Lankan and Belarusian universities. So I would like to underline the immense support given by the administration of the VTEP State Medical University to our Sri Lankan students. Actually, your university is the university that is providing education to a highest number of Sri Lankan students. As I can recall, it currently stands at 1150. So, and last but not least, I would like to take this opportunity to praise our Sri Lankan students for organizing this kind of celebration in a foreign university. That event dedicated for the celebration of 77th anniversary of Independence Day of Sri Lanka. Here you are not just merely making a celebration, but also you are sharing our cultural value as well. So in my conclusion, again, I would like to congratulate all past participants and guests of this event on celebrating our 77th Independence Day in Belarus. So I wish this event a great success. Thanks.